Unscript Manager 7.0 installation setup on Windows 11 operating system explain. Desktop Windows search box lo virus and treat enter. First option virus and treat protection select virus and treat protection window lo second option manage settings click. First one option real-time protection related option left side edge button mouse left click. Windows security lo first button yes click. Scroll down cloud delivered protection related option on set left side edge mouse left click offs display. Next option automatic sample submission left side edge mouse left click left side edge mouse left click. After installation process completed all options reset on set window minimize Google search box lo as it is same enter key press third link or first second and fourth any one link click. Browser close desktop unscript manager folder select open. Second one setup ps file select mouse right click properties option select. Fifth option compatibility select run compatibility troubleshooter compatibility mode section lo first one run this program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set related box right side down arrow click. Windows XP service pack 3 option select. Third button apply. First button OK click. Third files setup TTF select mouse right click properties option select setup TTF properties window lo fifth one option compatibility select compatibility mode section lo run this program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set mouse left click related box right side down arrow click. Windows XP service pack 3 option select apply. Third button click. First button OK click. Setup PS select mouse right click run as administrator option click. Setup ps.exe window lo first button yes click. First button next click. Select components unnecessary options tick mark remove. Main files unnecessary left side box tick mark remove. Second one Telugu PostScript necessary Telugu fonts related. Third one present unnecessary left side tick mark remove. Next fourth option ding bits PostScript unnecessary box tick mark remove. Second button next click. Select start menu folder unscript manager default set. Second button next click. Select additional task create a desktop icon default necessary tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install. Second button install click. Extracting files 89 found could not open registry file. OK button click. Completing the unscript manager setup wizard window lo second option no I restart the computer later left side circle tick mark set finish button click. Second one data file select mouse right click run as administrator select. Setup ttf.exe window lo first button yes click. First button yes click. First button next click. In the script unnecessary tick mark remove. Ding bits true types tick mark remove. Second button next click. Select start menu folder default folder name unscript manager set. Second button next click. Select additional task window lo additional icon create a desktop icon tick mark set. Second button next click. Ready to install window lo second button install click. Installing extracting files 178 found files. OK button click. Completing the unscript manager setup wizard first option left side circular tick mark set finish button click. After system restart process completed Windows search box lo control panel enter. First one control panel select right side top edge lo large icons down arrow click. Second one large icons click. Fonts select personalization and fonts section లో legacy fonts control panel interface button click. Window maximize. System internal installed total fonts display in folder. Folder minimize. Desktop file explorer document open. Left side this PC select. First one new volume C select open. First one folder anu sm select open. Second folder pfm select open. All fonts select anyone select. Keyboard shortcut key control a mouse right click. Second icon copy click. Fonts folder reopen. Empty place mouse right click. First icon paste click. Box left side tick mark set close button click. 89 fonts installed. Fonts folder minimize. Left side back to arrow click. Again click. Second folder ttf select open. All fonts reselect. Anyone select. Keyboard shortcut key control a mouse right click. Second icon copy click. Fonts folder close. Font folder reopen. Mouse right click. Paste icon click. Left side box tick mark set. First button yes click. Installing all fonts 89 fonts. Fonts folder close. System restart desktop shortcut anu 7 select. Mouse right click. Properties option click. Sixth option compatibility select. Compatibility mode section లో run this program in compatibility mode for left side box tick mark set. Related box right side down arrow click. Windows XP Service Pack 3 set. Bottom side third button apply click. First button OK click. Desktop Windows search box లో Photoshop enter. First one Adobe Photoshop 7.0 select. File menu click. New option select. New window లో enter the file name. Work related file name enter. Preset size third one right side down arrow click. A4 set. Work related page. OK button click. Photoshop minimize. Desktop Unscript Manager shortcut icon select mouse double click. kb7.exe window లో first button yes click. Default Telugu language set. Second one box DO phonetic. Right side next button click. Apple set. First button OK click. Photoshop reopen. Font select top section లో down arrow click. Telugu language select. Pragati select. Font size right side down arrow click. 72 select. Chari Tech Info Warangal.